Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creation.
And today we are going to unboxing the scale model of centy toy called Octavia. And this scale model is completely made out of plastic and it comes in 1:32 ratio. And now cut the wrapper and explore the scale model. This scale model have two front doors are openable. Actually, this car doesn't have any detailed interior or the detailed exterior. So for this, I'm going to do some modification to make this into more detail. For modification, first we need to peel up all the stickers from the car, and next to that we need to remove the screws of the car, and after that we want to clean up the existing paint, and then we have to go for the new paint. In this video I'm going to show this in step-by-step process and keep all the dismantled spare parts of this car separately so that it will help you to reassemble it back. And now we have dismantled all the spare parts of this car. It's ready to paint and modification, and I hope you will enjoy this modification.
Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.